Search for appMink.
Hi everyone! Tonight is the night of Halloween for appMink Town, and it's looking especially scary. The monster cars are sitting around the campfire, swapping ghost stories, when all of a sudden, I've cast a spell on you all. It's a spell that gives you costumes to go trick-or-treating in. Now we've got our own magic and extra scary designing room. So, you're up first, Flash? Well, I think you will make a great Frankenstein. Perfect. You're up next, Speedy. Alright, cowboy for you. Abracadabra! Wow, check out that hat and mustache! Victor, you can be a rock star. Hope you like rock and roll. So cool! And how about a werewolf for you, Bluey? Look at those teeth. I'm scared already. And lastly, Blaze. You can be an Indian. Such a fantastic headdress. Okay, are you guys ready to go? Let's do some trick-or-treating. Oh, this is Mink's house.
Who is it?
And he's got a huge bowl of candy. What an awesome show!
What a great punk rock costume.
You're definitely a rock star. Don't forget to thank Mink for the candy. You make such a great Frankenstein. What does Big Mink think? He loves it.
Oh, well, let me take a picture.
Don't forget to thank him for the candy. Okay, who's next?
Huh? Someone's at the door.
Well, howdy there, Miss Mink.
Oh, wow!
Could you spare some candy for our partner here?
That's such a great cowboy costume!
What a great cowboy!
Here you go!
Don't forget to say thanks. Oh, here comes Blaze. He's sneaking up to the police station. Oh, you and Police Chief Mink are both wearing the same costume. Isn't that funny? Thanks, Police Chief Mink. And now Fox Mink's house. Don't scare him too much with that werewolf costume.
Oh, you're scary.
Thanks for the candy, Fox Mink. Hope you all had a good time, and happy Halloween from everyone here at appMink. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.
Okay, what are we building today, Mink? Looks like we've got a chassis with different kinds of doors on each side. Interesting. Let's keep watching. Here comes the...
Wheels.
That's right!
Wheels.
Mr. Dump Truck is helping us with more parts. Now we have the full chassis.
Chassis. Chassis.
What goes in the chassis?
Engine. Engine.
Yep, the engine. Now, what do we need to sit in?
Seat.
Yep, the seat.
Seat.
Let's start adding some of the outside parts. Now, do you know who this guy is?
Monster truck. Monster truck.
Yep, he's a monster truck. Look at him go! What a jump!
Hi everyone, today we're getting a visit from the appMink Junior Carrier Truck. It's a bus for all our favorite colors and vehicles. Say hi, Mr. Carrier Truck. Red tow truck. Red tow truck. Green digger. Green digger. Red dump truck. Red dump truck. Green cherry picker. Green cherry picker. Red cement mixer. Red cement mixer. Red delivery truck. Red delivery truck. Green tank truck. Green tank truck. Red and blue train. Red and blue train. Red golf cart. Red golf cart. Yellow quad bike. Yellow quad bike. Red tractor and red bus. Red tractor and red bus. Red, blue, and yellow bicycle. Red, blue, and yellow. Red, blue, and yellow bicycle. Yellow plane. Yellow plane. Red race car. Red race car. Red helicopter. Red helicopter. That's all the vehicles on the appMink Junior Vehicle Carrier Truck. Please press the subscribe button and be the first one to see the next appMink Junior video.
Search for appMink. Hey everybody, we're back at appMink Town today, and guess what? There's a surprise waiting for us at the police station. Let's go find out what it is. Oh, hello, Mr. Walkie-Talkie. What have you got for us today? Oh, some wheels? What are these for? Oh, it's the blueprints for a police car. And the wheels are the first step. What's next, Mr. Walkie-Talkie? It's whatever's in this box? Ah, it's the axles for the wheels. Let's get them connected up so that we have a foundation for our police car. Wow, that looks like so much fun, Mr. Walkie-Talkie. Uh-oh, it's Police Chief Mink. Oh wait, he's going to join in. Alright, now that the wheels are getting into position, what's next? We've got the siren, the bumper, the hood and the headlights, and the trunk and the tail lights. Let's see where they need to go. Here comes the hood and the trunk. Oh, look out! Oh no, I hope they're okay. Here comes Mr. Walkie-Talkie and Police Chief Mink with the wheels. Alright, nice job, guys. Now the helicopter will lower the windshield and the roof. Here comes the bumper, jumping into place. Oh, and now here are the doors, flying in from the hills. You guys know what to do. That's right on the sides. Lastly, here comes the siren, jumping onto the roof. Good job, Mr. Walkie-Talkie and Police Chief Mink. Now we can introduce the newest member of the appMink police force, Mr. Police Car. Thanks, everybody. Now let's say goodbye to Mr. Police Car as he goes on his way. Please subscribe to appMink's channel, and see you next time! Alright kids, we're going to learn about numbers. And guess what? We're going to learn with some awesome car jumping stunts. Now that we've made the ramps, we need our first car. And here's the monster truck, ready to do his first jump. How many cars are there?
One.
Next!
2.
Wow, a 360.
2,
All right, ready for the next jump?
3,
Wow, a backflip.
3, 4,
Reverse into 180.
4,
Wow. Okay, getting hotter.
5, 5, 6,
Another 360.
6,
More cars.
7,
Another reverse into 180.
7, 8,
Wow, a barrel roll.
8,
Okay, here we go.
9,
Another backflip.
9, 10,
Last jump.
10.
He made it. Great work, Mr. Monster Truck. Thanks for helping us learn to count. Search for appMink. Welcome back to appMink Town, everyone. There's a vehicle meet today for the awesome vehicle competition, and some of the vehicles from appMink are here to show off what they can do. Monster Truck is raring to go. Digger is pushing his way into position. What an impressive jump! The school bus is flying on over. The crane truck's here too, and ready to roll. Are we missing someone? Ah, it's the garbage truck, cleaning up before he gets in position. The monster truck jumps out first to show us what he can do.
Howdy, kids. I'm the Monster Truck. I'm the coolest ride in town. I love getting paint jobs and doing stunts. Check out my huge tires. I also have a strong chassis and extra suspension for jumps and tricks. And my engine is extra powerful. I like showing off tricks to my friends, but it often gets me dirty, and I hate taking them back. But I think being dirty just ain't cool. Grr, out of my way. Hey, wait! Kids, if you want to be cool, you've got to be strong. Look at my strong arm. I can dig holes and move heavy things. And look at my strong blade. I can move even heavier things with this, or lift them like they're nothing and turn and place them anywhere. Tires aren't cool, treads are much tougher. They can take you anywhere. And that's why I'm the strong. Hey, wait!
Out of the way, make way for someone who's really strong. The strongest are always in a team. We're the crane truck. We're two friends who always work together. The crane can reach up to the sky with his hook and use it to lift heavy things and place them in the right spot. But not only can he lift things, he can also smash them. Bam! We've got 6 big wheels so we can move heavy objects fast and easily. But if the crane needs more support, I have extra legs to lift heavier and higher. Teamwork is definitely the best.
I'll teach you, you giraffe.
You'll never catch us with those treads. Kids, we all know the most fun thing isn't being strong or being with just one friend. It's being with lots of friends. My body is made especially for moving lots of people at once. And I have lots of comfortable seats and top-notch suspension, making me great for carrying all your friends. We'll drive through extreme conditions together and have crazy adventures. And when it's all said and done, I'll make sure you go home safe. I bring you and your friends together. Oh no, look at the time! I'm late to pick up the kids from school again.
Hi kids, I'm not the coolest or the strongest, and I can't take you and your friends on adventures. Some of you might have seen me before though. That's because I get up really early and drive through town. I use my mechanical arm to pick up garbage bins and clean unneeded objects and store them in my body. This means you can get rid of rubbish so your home doesn't get cluttered and is tidy and clean and has room for toys. But I have to go to bed now. Tomorrow I'll be up early again. Bye kids, good night.
Thanks for watching, and tell us in the comments who your favorite vehicle is. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Search for appMink.
Five little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
"No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
Four little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
"No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
"No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
Two little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
"No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
One little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
"I said no more monkeys jumping on the bed."
Search for appMink.
Welcome back to appMink Town. Looks like Mr. Train is doing well. Oh no, is that evil Dr. Pig? What's he doing? It looks very suspicious. What's in that bag? There are some very suspicious looking tools. And was that dynamite? What's he gonna do with that? Oh, this doesn't look good. Evil Dr. Pig, please stop! Oh my gosh! This is terrible! Mink!
Oh no!
Police copter! Please help! The tunnel has been blown up!
Somebody blew up the tunnel, Police Chief Mink.
Oh, that's terrible. First, we're gonna put out the fire and then move that log.
Good work, Mr. Fire Truck. Putting out the fire is a great first step. Same goes for you, Mr. Crane. Good work.
Oh, what are we gonna do?
Oh, how do we move all this?
Oh, that evil Dr. Pig.
I know what we should do.
What's that, Miss Mink? You've got an idea. Aha! You think we should build a digger.
Aw, yeah, that's pretty clever.
Look here.
Alright, let's get started. First, we need the cab. Come on, cab. Don't leave us hanging. Next, come the sides and the seat. Jump on, guys. And onto the base. Come on, Grill, what are you waiting for? Next comes the boom, arm, and the bucket. Quickly, we've got a tunnel to fix. Oh no! Evil Dr. Pig's minions are here to stop us.
Oh no!
Great work, Mink.
All right.
We're back on track. So, next up, we need the tilt cylinder and the blade. Great work! And now, the tracks and the frame. Now we're ready to get rolling. Finally, the steering wheel gets to join. And now we're ready to help fix the tunnel. Oh, maybe a bit more power first.
Oh, you're forgetting something. Oh,
Thanks, Big Mink.
oh.
Thanks. See ya.
All right, Mink, let's go. Evil Dr. Pig's minions are trying to stop us again. Great work, Mink. No time to waste.
Hurry, Mink, we gotta get this cleaned up.
Don't worry, I'm on it.
Oh, Mink, we're running out of time.
Oh no, the train is coming. Hurry, Mink.
This is it.
It's getting closer.
I can do it. All right, this is
You
it.
can do it, Mink.
Oh, I can't watch.
One more time.
Come on, Mink!
All right, we did it, guys.
Foiled again.
The train is saved. Another crisis avoided thanks to Mink and his friends. Don't forget to subscribe to appMink so you can see what Mink and his friends are up to next time. See you then. Are you ready for some more colors from appMink Jr.? You are? Great! This is a red tow truck. Red tow truck. Red is the color of roses. This is a blue cement truck. Blue cement truck. Blue is the color of the sky. This is a yellow dump truck. Yellow dump truck. Yellow is the color of bananas. This is a green backhoe truck. Green backhoe truck. Green is the color of grass. This is a pink crane truck. Pink crane truck. Pink is the color of flamingos. Can you remember all the appMink Jr. colors and trucks? Red tow truck. Blue cement truck. Yellow dump truck. Green backhoe truck. Pink crane truck.
Search for appMink.
So, are you coming to the appMink disco party tonight, Mink? Helicopter and I will be putting on quite a show. Bright lights and cool music. We will all be sure to have a great time.
Sure am, Car. I'm looking forward to it very much.
Help! Help! Someone!
Fennec, what's going on here? And why is the tree on fire?
I'm glad you're here, Mink. There's a little kitty stuck on top of that tower. And Big Mink climbed that tree to try and rescue it. Then a branch broke off and the tree fell onto the power lines. One of the lines broke away from the power pole and the spark from it caused a fire.
Help!
How do we stop this?
Don't worry, Fennec Fox, Big Mink, or Little Kitty. I know the right person for the job. Walkie Talkie.
Reporting in, Chief. Walkie Talkie, can you call up fire truck?
Sure thing, Mink.
Fire truck, do you copy? We have a problem here and we need you ASAP.
Copy that, Walkie Talkie. What seems to be the problem?
We have Big Mink stuck high up in a tree and a kitty high up in a tower. They both need your help, and with your long rescue ladder, we'll be able to get them both down safely. And by the way, fire truck, a fire has started as well.
I'm on it.
Now, call in the electrician to turn off the power in the street immediately. We don't want any more fires to start or for someone to get electrocuted.
Oh, guys, hurry up!
Help is on the way, Big Mink. Hang in there. Thank goodness you're here, fire truck.
Freddy Fox, take the hose and start putting out that fire. You will need to attach me to that fire hydrant over there.
Oh, all this smoke is making me feel dizzy. I think I might fall.
Don't worry, Big Mink. Fire truck is here, and we'll get you and Kitty down soon.
Mink, we have no time to spare. You have to climb the ladder and get Big Mink down.
Oh no, fire truck! The ladder doesn't quite reach. The ladder is only 5 meters long. I need another 5 meters to reach Big Mink. And worse still, I need another 10 meters to reach Kitty. What do we do?
Don't worry, Mink. I have a ladder extension. I can provide the extra 10 meters you need.
The fire is nearly out, team. Mink, have you reached Big Mink?
Don't worry, Big Mink. We've got you.
Boy, am I glad to see you, Mink. Thanks for coming to my aid.
Don't mention it.
Time to bring him down, Mink.
Wait, Mink, don't forget Kitty.
Big Mink, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. But I did cause a whole lot of trouble.
Don't be so hard on yourself, Big Mink. While it's true that we can all be heroes, we all have our own strengths and limitations.
You're right, Mink. Maybe I'm not the best climber after all.
Don't worry, Big Mink. You just wanted to help. And well done for that.
Yay! Everyone is safe and sound.
Thanks goes to Fire Truck for helping us out again.
And just in time for the disco. Let's go!
I'm hungry.